Hello friends, welcome to my channel How I Learn Russian Language. First of all, big thanks to all for your very good response to my channel. This is my fourth video of the series on accusative case of Russian language. In earlier video, we have discussed about noun, pronoun and adjective in accusative case of Russian language in a singular form. As discussed in earlier video, this fourth and fifth video on accusative case of Russian language is about plurals of nouns, pronouns and adjective in accusative case of Russian language. In this video, we have discussed declination of masculine, feminine, neuter gender of nouns when they are used as plurals in accusative case of Russian language. Nouns are divided into two groups, animate nouns and inanimate nouns. In this video, all the cases of plurals of noun are discussed in accusative case of Russian language. We will continue over to Vijay now for plurals of nouns and adjective in accusative case of Russian language. Thank you.
Hello friends, привет, друзья! Добро пожаловать на мой канал «Как я изучаю русский язык». In this video, we will be continuing with the plurals of noun in accusative case. In the earlier video, we have already covered the nouns, pronouns, covered adjectives, how the adjectives are changing, how the nouns are changing, where the accusative case is applicable to which nouns, to inanimate and as well as in inanimate. Now we will continue with the plurals of nouns in accusative case. So here again there are two cases of plurals of nouns in accusative case. One is for inanimate nouns and another is for animate nouns. In case of inanimate nouns, the plurals in accusative case are same as a nominative case. Plurals of inanimate nouns in accusative case are as it is in case of nominative, same as nominative. So here some examples are there. Moi chitayam jurnali. Journal is a masculine inanimate noun. So the plural of that is same as nominative. Mi chitayam jurnali. On kupil slavari. Slavar is again a masculine gender noun. So the plural of that is slavari, same as nominative. On kupil slavari. Ya pakupayu knigi. Moi vibirayim titradi. Moi vibirayim titradi. Ya lubliu citat ruskiye gazeti. Moi pakupayim ruchki it karandashi va magazine. Ya sluchayu pesni. So these plurals of these nouns in accusative case are same as a nominative case. Here chitat, kupit, pakupat, vibirat, these are all transitive verbs and they are as a direct, they are coming a journal, slavar, knigi, all these nouns are coming as a direct object of transitive verb. So here the accusative case is applicable and so we will continue. Moi pakupayim ruchki I karandashi va magazine ya sluchayu pesni. Pesnia is again inanimate feminine noun. Plural of that noun is also same as nominative. Moi lubim смотрит русские фильмы. Now русский film is again inanimate masculine noun with adjective. So русские фильмы. В книжном магазине продают книги, ручки, тетради, карандаши, журнали. В книжном магазине продают книги, ручки, тетради, карандаши, журнали. So here inanimate nouns in accusative case are taking plural same as in nominative case. Он любит носить рубашки, брюки, пальто и костюмы. Okay, he likes to wear all pants, shirts and all these costumes. Вчера в магазине она купила тарелки, ножи, ложки и вилки. Тарелка is plate, нож is knife, ложки и вилки, fork and spoons. Продавец продает машины. This is all about plurals of inanimate nouns in accusative case. They are same as the plurals in nominative case. Now we will continue with the plurals of animate nouns in accusative case. They are different than the plurals of inanimate nouns. So how they are different, that we will see now. Now we will continue with the plurals of animate nouns in accusative case. They are different than the plurals of inanimate nouns. How they are different? The plurals of masculine gender nouns are ending with o, a and ev. Ingineri, inginerov. Uchiteli, uchitele. Vrachi, vrachei. Giroi, giroyev. So the plural of engineer, engineeri, engineer is a nominative singular, engineeri is a nominative plural and accusative plural is engineerov. So it is taking the ending ov. Similarly, uchitel, uchitel is a nominative singular, uchiteli is a nominative plural and uchitele is a accusative plural. So it is taking the ending a. Similarly, vrach is a nominative singular, vrachi is a nominative plural and accusative plural of vrach is vrache. So it is taking the ending a. Similarly, nominative plural of gero, geroi, Giroyev. So it is taking the ending yev. So in this way, the masculine gender animate nouns are taking the ending as ov, ev in accusative case when they convert to accusative case plurals. Now similarly, we have here the examples of feminine gender nouns. Doch is the nominative singular, docheri is a nominative plural, and when it is comes to accusative, it becomes docherei. So here a is added to this docherei. Devushka is a nominative singular, devushki is a nominative plural, and the accusative plural of devushki is devushek. So a is inserted between after sh. Studyantka is a nominative singular, studyanki is a nominative plural, and accusative plural of studyanki is studyantok, studyantok, or o is inserted in after ta. Zhenshina, zhenshin. Here a is removed. Similarly, kniga, knig, machina, machine. So this way, nominative plural is here, accusative plural is here, and endings are here. In case of masculine, endings are changing to o, a, and ev. Here, the nouns which are ending with ch, sh, zh, sh, and top sign are taking the endings oi. For example, this prepadavatil, prepadavatilei. Since prepadavatil is ending with the soft sign after l, so prepadavatilei. Uchitel, uchitelei. Vrachi, vrachiei. Vrachi is ending with ch, so it is taking the ending as a. Gero, geroyev. Dochiri, dochire. Devushki, devushek. Zhenshina, zhenshin. So in this way, the plurals of animate nouns in accusative case are different than the plurals in the nominative case. So we will see the examples of plurals of animate nouns in accusative case here. व कलखोजे studenti stretili, कव stretili studenti व kolkhoje. This accusative case always answer the question कवो. कवो आणि stretili. कवो stretili studenti. Studenti stretili, kolkhoznikov, traktoristov и шоферов. Now kolkhoznik, it's taking the ending o in the accusative plural. Traktorist, traktoristov, and shoferov, shofer and shoferov, it's accusative plural. Kavo and stretili. Kavo and so these two questions are answered by accusative case when the noun is a direct object of transitive verb. Na zavode studenti stretili managerov, inginerov, technikov. Kavo studenti stretili na zavode. Na zavode studenti stretili managerov, inginerov и technikov. Manager, engineer, technik. They are changing managerov, enginerov, technikov. So here they are taking the ending o. व policlinice работает врачей и медсестер. Кого вы встретили в поликлинике? В поликлинике я встретил врачей и медсестер. Кого вы видели в поликлинике? В поликлинике я видел врачей и медсестер. So врач is taking the accusative plural as врачей. Медсестра has a plural as a медсестер. Мы пригласили в гости друзей, подруг, соседей. Друг is nominative case. Друзья is a nominative plural and друзей is a accusative plural. Similarly, padruga is a nominative singular, padrugi is a nominative plural, and padrug is a accusative plural. Similarly, sosed, sosedi, sosediei. Мы пригласили в гости друзей, подруг, соседей. Кого вы пригласили в гости? Мы пригласили в гости друзей, подруг, соседей. So these two друзей, подруг, соседей, these are all accusative. These are the cases of accusative plurals. Na concerte mi slušajem, na concerte kavo vi slušate, na concerte moi slušajem artistov, pisatelje, poetev. Now artist is a nominative, artist, and accusative is become artistov, pisatelj. Pisatel is a nominative, so here the soft sign is there, so which is replaced by pisateljei. Okay, here after the it is o is added, here a is added, and the soft sign is removed, and poetov. Okay, here also o is added. So na concerte moi slušajem artistov, pisateljei, poetov. Similarly, в университете мы встречаем. Кого вы встречаете в университете? В университете мы встречаем студентов, студенток, профессоров и преподавателей. Now here again the преподаватель, the soft sign is removed with a. Professor, after professor o is added. Then studentka, studentki, studentok, o is inserted, studentak, and studentov, after the o is added. So this way в университете мы встречаем студентов, студенток, профессоров prepadavatilye. This way, the animate gender nouns are getting changed in accusative case. Please keep watching. We will see few more examples. So here I have examples of accusative plurals of animate nouns. So please pay attention. Here the nominative singular, here nominative plural, and here accusative plural. Now here see brat, bratya, bratyev, drug, druzya, druzyei, sin, sinovia, sinovie, sin, sinovia, sinoye, doch, docheri, docherei, mat, materi, matere, ribionak, deti, detei, chilovek, lyudi, lyudei. This third column is the accusative plural of animate nouns, and this is the nominative plural, and this is nominative singular. Nominative singular, nominative plural, and accusative plural. So chilovek, lyudi, lyudei, raditel, raditili, raditeliei, sistra, siostri, sistior, padruga, padrugi, padrug, tavarish, tavarishi, tavarishei, engineer, engineeri, engineerau. So we can clearly difference between the nominative singular, nominative plural, and accusative plural. Brat, bratya, bratyev, drug, druzya, druzyei, sin, sinovia, sinoviei, doch, docheri, docherei, mat, materi, materiei, ribonak, deti, detiei, chilevek, lyudi, lyudiei, raditel, raditeli, raditeliei, sistra, siostri, sistior, padruga, padrugi, padrug, tavarish, tavarishi, tavarishei, engineer, engineeri, engineerau. Now accusative singulars, if I say, what will the accusative singular of this bratyev? Brata, druzyei, druga, sinoviev, sina, docherei, docheri, matere, materi. So this way the accusative plurals are coming. We will see some more examples. This is another list. Here nominative singular, nominative plural, and accusative plural. All are examples of animate nouns. This is a mix of feminine and masculine that you have to sort it out. See, vrach, vrachi, vrache. This is nominative singular, nominative plural, and accusative plural. Vrach, vrachi, vrache. Geolog, geologi, geologo. Historic, historiki, historikov. Jurist, juristi, juristov. Jenshina, jenshini, jenshin. Economist, economisti, economistov. Studentka, studentki, studentak. Technic, techniki, technikov. This is technician, technic. Technic is technician, techniki, technicians, and technikov. Okay, this is accusative plural of technic. Laborant, lab assistant, laborant, laboranti, laborantov. Devushka, devushki, devushek. Prepodavatelnitsa, prepodavatelnitsi, prepodavatelnit. Dama, dami, dam. Lady, ladies, and plural of dama in accusative case, dam. Here this is feminine. Then here we have studentka, this is feminine. Then we have prepodavatelnitsa, this is feminine. This is ladies, this is feminine. Devushka is feminine. So this way 5 examples of feminine and other examples of masculine gender nouns. You can watch my earlier video also for plurals of nouns in Russian language. So there I have given many examples. You can learn from that also. We will see more examples. So we will continue with more examples, more set of examples. The nominative singular, nominative plural, and accusative plural. Medsistra, medsistra is nurse. Medsiostri, medsiostri. Medsistior, nurse, nurses, and medsistior is a accusative plural of medsistra. Tyotia, tyotia is aunt. Tyoti, tyotok. This is the accusative plural of tyotia. Sasyed, sasyedi. This is nominative singular and plural, and this is sasyediai. This is accusative plural of devachka, devachki, devochek. Devachka, devachki, devochek. Durak, duraki, durakov. Durak, duraki, durakov. This is nominative singular, nominative plural, and accusative plural. Koshka, koshki, koshek. Jena, jeni, jen. Jena is a nominative singular, nominative plural, and accusative plural. Muj, muji, mujov. Atец, atsi, atsov. Dyadya, dyadia, dyadei. Sabaka, sabaki, sabak. Similarly, jitel, jitel is resident or inhabitant. Jitel, jiteli, jitelei. So these are around 30 to 35 examples we have seen the nominative singular, nominative plural and how the accusative plural. These are all animate nouns in accusative case, that is different from the plural in the nominative case. They are plural in nominative case. So we have seen all the possibilities: nominative singular, nominative plural and accusative plural. This is very helpful to you. This will be similar, it will be almost similar in genitive case also. So if you thoroughly understood what is accusative, you will understood the genitive case also. So keep watching. Now this is all about the plurals of nouns in accusative case. Now we will see plurals of adjectives in accusative case, plurals of adjectives, plurals of personal pronouns, that also, plurals of possessive pronouns, plurals of pronouns, possessive pronouns and plurals of adjectives, that also we will see in accusative case. Okay, just keep watching.